Hey. How we doing, boys? How we doing, chat? How we doing, chat? Today's NFP. With that being said, anything today is just lower probability. So today, honestly, bro, today is just gonna be me watching price action, me watching to see what price is doing. I am not. I might put on like some demo trades, but definitely nothing on the live account. Maybe if it does look dumb clear, if it does look stupid clear, I might be able to take it live. But I highly doubt we'll get that opportunity today. FP. Alright, give me one sec. Oh, I've I actually posted that on my other I posted on my other Instagram account. That's funny. Alright, just making sure it didn't upload. Alright. And then I gotta send it to the Discord. Dude, I need to get like something that does this for me. All right, I did take a little scalp. Yo, what's good, Naaman? I took a small scalp on the demo, just to this imbalance here. As you see, we had an SMT, we had broken structure, kind of, or we started creating imbalance, and then we come up, had an SMT here. I took a little scalp here to this imbalance. Oh wait, did I get filled? Oh, I thought I put it at this low. I guess I'm still in it, but it's just a very small scalp. Yeah, I should have had it off at this low. That's what I should have had. What's good, Jay? What's good, Jay? How's everyone doing this morning? Usually I go to the gym. Usually I go to the gym in the mornings, but today I did not end up doing that because I decided to rest because my elbow just like yesterday I was in the gym and it just hurt. But bro, I need to I got this like bro, the best smoothies. What do y'all put in your smoothies? My best smoothie is pineapples, mangoes, and strawberries, and it's so good. All I have to do is then I put orange juice and then a scoop of protein powder, and that's literally it. And it takes like 2 minutes to make. It's literally the best smoothie I've ever had. What's good, Isaac? What's good, Joshy? What's good, Evan? So you're at school, bro. I remember the days of me trading during school. That would have been sick. I wish I had like, kind of like someone to watch while I was at school, or like a YouTube stream to watch. I feel like that would be sick. I mean, I guess I did. Just like throw in the AirPod and just listen. What's good? What's good, bro? It's made 161% on Bitcoin. I've been studying some ICT. I've been watching some ICT's videos. I don't know how long I'll stream today, but today I just wanna chill and keep in mind, y'all, it is NFP. And I think we can all agree that we just sold off hella. Look at what the market just did. So coming into today, I said it in the Discord. But today's not a day to be risk on. Have you seen the news? What do you mean? What about like NFP? Have to hit the gym too, so I'll be back soon. Just a reminder, make sure to follow plan 100%. Yeah, usually I hit the gym. Today was a weird day. I slept in a little bit and I woke up and I actually felt awful. I just felt drowsy. I don't know why. Now we're here. I don't know how long I'm going to be live today. But we're just here to look at price action. You too? Looking for a market maker sell model. Yeah, keep in mind, we just had a slow taper up. We had the news scandal that stopped out a lot of these traders. So I mean, obviously we just had a huge sell-off. Everything's just low probability. I think we could get a push up in equilibrium, but I really doubt it. The only point of interest I would look for would be this breaker on the 1 hour. That would be the thing I'm looking at. Let's look at ES. I haven't really formulated a daily bias or anything. I've done nothing because I know it's NFP, so I've just been chilling this morning. Yeah, I could see us return to maybe this breaker, but looking at this on the 4 hour, this looks very bearish to me. The only reason why, obviously, after this big move to the downside, we're ready. This is the market telling us that we're ready to go, and that we're likely gonna do something. We're likely gonna have some action to these lows in the upcoming. Like, look at these stacked lows. This just looks way too clean after that big sell-off. So some days are just like that. Yeah. Today, wait. I don't know why. I woke up, headache, didn't feel the greatest. Oh, market just opened. I got stopped on the scalp. Put my stop at that high. I entered like right here. We're just gonna read price action and see what price does. Let me go full screen. Alright. No trading today because of NFP. Yeah, correct. I'll take like a few demo trades, few demo stabs, but especially looking at this structure, if I zoom out to a 15 minute, like sincerely, tell me where the 15 minutes gonna reach. Look at me in the eyes and tell me you know exactly where the 15 minutes gonna go, or tell me that you're confident in where the 15 minutes gonna go. Like you actually have a strong bias in indicating of where the 15 minutes gonna go. As you can see, we came down, we swept all these lows. Did we take this low? Or is that equal low? We have taken lows. This looks pretty bullish to me. We have a sweep of all these lows. And now I think that we could get a move higher, but we don't have anything to base this off of. We just had a huge sell off. Like what would you target if you're bullish? Probably the breaker. That would be probably my thing that I would target. That's my draw on liquidity right now. But we just swept lows. We have a news candle. If we're bullish, we should respect consequent encroachment of this candle. So I'm gonna mark consequent encroachment of this. We're just gonna see. We're gonna study price. Consequent encroachment. Is it like a 5 minute? Okay, so that is the 5 minute candle too. So I'm looking for consequent encroachment. If we're bullish, we should respect the consequent encroachment of the candle. S&T at the lows. Yeah, I haven't really done too much analysis on ES, but yeah, ES hasn't taken this low. We have an S&T, but I don't love being dependent on S&Ts. We're not dependent, but like sometimes I like get overcarried and overcaught away with like an S&T. Like an S&T doesn't mean we're probably gonna get bought up, but yeah, that does look decent that we have an S&Ts to kind of add that little confluence to your bias. So we just respected this order block. So this looks pretty bullish. This looks pretty bullish. Let's see if bodies stay above this on the 2 minute. We also have it's also a 3 minute order block. We're respecting it. So now this becomes a propulsion block, I believe. So we should my draw is this high right here. I feel like we should come to this high. This does look good. We come back down, and if we're looking at NQ actually, ES looks more bullish than NQ. But we came back up into this imbalance, or came back down into this imbalance. So I respect it. Took internal liquidity here. This looks bullish on ES. This does look like a market maker buy model. I'm expecting the draw to be this high. I'm expecting the draw to be this high. This does look. Do we have any PD array? Wait, is this consequent encroachment? Oh my gosh, dude, this looks very. This does look very clean. This does look very clean. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna. We've already reacted off the order block, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. Oh, I need to be on MES. Actually, we're not respecting. Okay, NQ is digging back into that. ES looks like we're bullish here. NQ does not. We should respect consequent encroachment here. That we're bullish. I want to see if we run this, I'll enter. I'll enter. Looks like ABC. 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 This does look like a market maker buy model. We have generated highs, but now we have equal highs on ES. Is that equal high? And the fact that we just held consequent encroachment night. Wait, what wick was that? Was that the 1 minute? No, what? Wait, fifth. Yeah, that was the 15 minute. Or that was 15 minute. We're holding consequent encroachment of this 15 minute wick nicely. If we run this fair value gap, I would look to enter long on the demo account just because it's NFP, a little bit lower probability. But this internal structure does look decent. I'm not gonna lie. But we should have respected this order block. So the fact that we didn't respect that order block on the 2 minute makes it a little bit less significant. Is this a fair value gap? Okay, we're repricing back to this fair value gap. We also have this wick here. Could be consequent encroachment that we're going to hold. We also have lows down here. And we're now forming like an SMT here. But I just don't see... I don't see the need for price to go higher. It doesn't look clear. We are respecting bearish order flow right now. Disrespecting order blocks. That's not this. You do not want to see that if you're bullish. NQ, they're looking pretty bearish. ES, I would say it's kind of a little bit more bullish. But we could reach down here just a little bit more to then expand higher. Nothing looks clear. It doesn't look clear. Oh, am I still in that short? Close that. Yeah, look at how we just respected. I'm gonna go ahead and buy here. Oh, I gotta be on MES. That's why. Yeah, this looks nice. Stop. I'm just gonna put the stop at this low. And then I'm aiming for this high on the demo. Wait, I want to be selling. Okay. Notice how well we respected consequent encroachment. We came back into that fair value gap. SMT at the lows. Market maker buy model. Equal highs above us. SMT right here. Yo, what's good, Yosin? What's good, Yosin? Sorry, I was locking in ABC. ABC. Let me look at ABC. Is that the ABC company? Wait, what? What ABC you talking about? Nah, ABC. I couldn't tell you. I want to look at Bitcoin. I want to look at Bitcoin and such. I want to look at Bitcoin and such. I would like Bitcoin to run this. I would like Bitcoin to run this. Head to the upside, head to that draw. But this looks... not clear. If y'all want me to check anything, I'll check it. If y'all want me to check anything, I would be open to check. This actually, this was a decent model, honestly. Maybe possibly look to take something off at this high, but I'm leaving it for this high up here. This looks clean, honestly. This looks clean. Notice how well we respected consequent encroachment of this wick. We respected that thing. We respected that thing. Imagine I was actually on the top step eval, and I was like, dang. Check Discord. I'll, bro, why can't you can you not Oh, if you're in the server, can you send me wait, on NQ? Ooh, what is that? On wait on NQ? What time frame? Is that a 5 minute or 2 minute? This fair value gap to these lows. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. I don't know. We're about to complete this model. Nice little market maker buy model. Internal market maker Dogecoin. Hopefully you're not actually. Hopefully you're not serious. Wait, this thing's $25? I don't know anything about Doge, about crypto. Don't know who I want, you the one I want. Going down in the room. I would look if I was on the live, I would look to scale something at those equal highs. Look how efficient price was too. Hello? All right. I'll post this in the Discord. I swear I saw someone added me and I didn't read it. I think we're seeing the quarterly shift play out in indices. Look at the chart, daily chart on NQ. If we break the daily swing low, which is also the weekly, that could be indicate the bull is locked in. Price could go. Plus, we're within months of quarterly shift to the downside. Everything's lining up in extreme. The daily extreme premium NQ. I agree. Going to see what the market does. On demo. Today is a day to be risk off. Today's a day to definitely be risk off. I don't think that. Like although like you could come in and you could make money, it's just not worth it. It's not worth it. Like why would I trade something that's just lower probability? Is this your fib? I thought that was your entry for a second. Like I thought this was a. Wait, does that mean you sold? I don't know. I don't know if this. I don't mess with it because like. Yeah, is that like? Are you able to do this consistently, or is this kind of luck? This was a nice market maker buy model. I'm gonna do like the eye, the corny little eye that people. No, I'm not putting that. Yeah, I like this Discord so much. I got filled. Look at that, y'all. Nice little trade. Nice little trade. This was a fantastic trade. Like, I low-key, I wish I no, I don't wish I took this on the live account, but this does look very nice. This look very nice. This does look very nice. Very nice. Very nice. I like, for being NFP, I did not think that we would get this. This just looks clean. This looks clean. Like, look at this chart, y'all. Look at this chart. This screams market maker buy model. Bro's last name is Fortnite? No. That's what I was saying yesterday. I was like, is your last name actually Fortnite? I didn't used to grind Fortnite, but I mean, I think we all did. Wait, what am I saying? I miss the Xbox days, I'm not gonna lie. Or not even like Xbox days, but just like hopping on and just playing with the boys. Just like nothing matters in life. You're just having fun. Hey, but now we hop on here, and now we in the future we're gonna make some money. Like, this is just a day in the journey. This looks very nice. This looks very. I am putting this in the market maker bottom. I'm gonna annotate this real quick. So I'm sorry. Respecting it to the tick. To the tick. Wait, have I been listening to the same song over? Equal highs as well. Come back to FEG. Consequent encroachment of candle. SMC at lows as well. This was a clean trade. This was a clean trade. I don't know. Like, it's like I am glad that I did take action and I actually entered this. Like, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is what we want to see. We came back, held consequent encroachment very nicely. We're within this fair value gap. We created equal highs. That's what makes this trade like a lot better. I mean, the fact that we have these equal highs. Oh, we're gonna sell off. We're gonna sell off. Nope. SMT. Very clean. Very clean. I'm adding everyone in this. Textbook. 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 to the T. Hey, Kalash. You actually on your live account? Or funded? Nice, bro. Nice, nice. This is what I love to see. This is what I love to see in a Discord, bro. Like, that's what just I love this Discord so much. Bro, this video, I started watching. Dude, Vontu Cut is such a goat. Vontu Cut. Alright. Now we wait for what price could possibly do. But this here, the SMT added confluence. Did ES ever take this low? Where's ES? Ooh, bro. Like, honestly, decent internal action NFP. I think we're reaching for equilibrium. Also have this SMT here. Price just runs. Well, as soon as this is what I'm saying, like, soup, this is the change in state of delivery. Change state of delivery. Like, when you see this happen live, this candle, you know that this is probably going to be an order block. Because the order block is the change in state of delivery. Which I would classify this probably. Very nice, very nice. Now let's see, what are we reaching for? The breaker, maybe? Maybe this breaker. I would like to see how we react off this breaker. Price is also rebalancing to this fair value gap. I wouldn't expect equilibrium. I wouldn't expect equilibrium of this move, but it definitely is a possibility. But after we just had a huge sell-off, I don't think that we'll immediately revert it or like pull back to equilibrium today. I feel like that will possibly be Monday. But also notice what we are doing. We have relative stacked lows here. We have relative stacked lows. This is going to be a future target. It's going to be a future target. This looks clean. So I think next week we honestly will have good trades. Next week will probably be... I said that about this week as well. I said this week we'll probably have good trades. This week was absolutely not good at all. But this definitely... These lows down here... does look like a future target. Future target. Like, what are we doing here? We're generating liquidity for later runs. Bro, London did absolutely nothing. Ooh. Wait. This is that new day opening gap. I want to draw this out, and I'm curious. I'm curious. Do we end up like? Do y'all ever use new day opening gap? I don't know. I just never have looked at it, and I don't think. Okay. We could possibly come back to this later in the day. Nothing beats the feeling of getting. Yeah, I don't know. Because obviously you get that euphoric feeling after you take a win or like a good trade, but I'm not satisfied. Oh wait, I should be doing it's the bodies, not the candles. So it's this. Maybe something here. There might have been this. Bro, consequent encroachment though? Consequent encroachment? Again? Generated buy side to where? To come down into consequent encroachment? Let's replay this. Let's look on the one. I wouldn't recommend looking at this on the 1 minute. We have a breaker. Did we come back to this? Okay, we break out of it. Perfectly, bro. Perfectly. Perfectly. Oh my gosh. This is a... Whew. That is a clean trade as well. I guess I need to be up. Oh, this was Asia session. 9:45. Another clean. And the thing is that it like as a trader, obviously stuff like this is gonna happen when you're not on the charts, and it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. There's going to be setups that you're going to quote unquote miss, but bro, just see what actually happened. I was scalping at 4 a.m. Brother, you're scalping at 4 a.m. today? I just think it's unnecessary. Like, obviously there could be opportunity in London, but if unless if it's on a demo, I don't know. I think just trading during this is just I don't like it, because you're just looking for opportunity that just isn't there or isn't going to be there. All right, so we just came up, tapped that inverse, very nice. What could I draw standard deviation? What would standard deviation even be? It's not clearing. It's not clear. We'll say here. I think there will be another. I think we'll come back up and we might sweep internal again. Then the manipulation leg might look something like this. I have high hopes for today's action. I'm not gonna lie. After this, seeing this pan out very nicely, I'm expecting good action. On the magnet on trading, use the... Wait. What does this do? Stay in drawing mode? I'm not gonna lie. I was watching a YouTube video, and bro, this guy's charts. I really like them. Should I change my chart colors? This looks clean. I like this chart. I like these chart settings. I might look to change them. I don't know. The black and white, I like it because it's less straining on the eyes, but it's a little bit too gothic for me. It's a little bit too gothic. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like a little goth boy looking like this. Now that looks clean. That's what your chart. Wait, your chart looks like this? If so, bro, drop your chart settings. Could you drop your chart settings? I bet. You better not catfish me. I'm expecting it to look exactly like this, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna be a little bit disappointed. I'm gonna ask the Discord. I'm expecting this to be a generated buy side target. It's just to be a price. This, I'm expecting just generate liquidity with this move. Let me. I'm gonna ask the Discord if anyone's chart looks like this. Hey, thanks, bro. I would say my analysis has improved. Nice, brother. Bro, you catfish me. It does not look like that. How do I, okay, here. I do like that. But I'm looking, like, do you see his canvas though? Like, this guy's canvas. His canvas is like a little bit like, it's not white, so it doesn't pop at you. It doesn't pop out at you. That's why I like the black. I like the black and white just because like it doesn't strain my eyes, especially if I'm gonna be on the charts like all day. Pretty much all day. I don't know. Yeah, I want to see buy side get taken once more before price continues downtrend. Yeah, I would like to see internal swept. Something like this. Like I think this is just gonna be something to generate more liquidity. We still have room to go to like equilibrium, something like that, something a little peachy like that. We got this 1 hour breaker. I dropped in the Discord. Nah, you catfish me, dog. You catfish me. You said it looked exactly like that. Stop lying. Why don't you just... I guess you're true. I guess I'm lazy. I also don't want to mess anything up. Like, there's been times when there has been a time where I tried to change my chart colors and it just ended up messing up my whole chart. Because I used to use TJR's chart colors, which I actually do like, but after a while, especially if you're just using like white. Okay, we have a little SMT at the highs. Now we have a change in state of delivery engulfing candle here. I'm expecting this to possibly be an order block. This would be the breaker on the 1 minute. We could see us come down to these lows. I'm not expecting a move lower right this minute, but I'm expecting to see more structure put in to then return to maybe possibly finish to these lows, but I don't know. It is NFP, and the fact that we already had a clean model this morning, I'm not betting on anything. I'm not betting on anything. Yeah, I think I would have to. Alright, let's canvas. Gradient, you want solid. No lines. Yeah, I like that color. Symbol. Here, let's look at cams. All right, let me see your bodies. So you have teal, blue, and then they're all black. Teal, blue, blue. Teal. Blue, blue. And they're all black. I think this wick has to be black. I don't know. That just doesn't do it for me. I do like something like that. Check. Alright, I just checked it. The background is gradient. What do you mean? Dude, I trade footprints. It's crazy amount of volume you see for value gaps at order blocks. Literally everybody trades ICT. That is cap. I would say it's probably grown because I don't know. But I don't care what anyone else trades. All I'm seeing is what works for me. Like, I think people dig too deep into like, oh, people trade ICT, it's not gonna work. Like I've been saying. I do like that color. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's too late. Ooh, it's like a baby blue. Woo! Sweet baby rays. Wait, bro, what does that even mean? 68? Six. 60. Alright, close enough. Hold up. Let me see. This guy actually like. Oh no. Sorry, y'all. Wait, I swear, bro, he had a. Nah, there's no way. He's had like the. That's crazy. Oh, here it is. Why is it showing up now? F4, F4, F4 is his background. F4, F4, F4. I don't know if this is doing it. I don't know if I don't know if this does it for me. This does. It does look a little. It does look comp. Will this make me a better trader? I would have to change this. I swear, if the black and white is gone, I'm gonna be mad. I feel like as a trader, especially since I'm like a content creator, I gotta have my own flow, you know? I gotta have my own flow. I don't know. Put the background gradient. Use this chart as background. FC. FC. FFDC. FC. Is that can't be the right one. Nah, I don't want to be looking at it, some mustard the whole day. Something like this. Peach. Where it says solid, gradient is ass. Gradient is ass. I do not want gradient. Absolutely awful. Wait, where's like light and dark mode on TradingView? Isn't that a thing? That's a thing for sure. I think it's in settings. That's what I didn't want to happen. Oh, I guess because that's what's happened to me in the past. That was unfortunate. And then it's just all black. Okay. This already hurts my eyes. This already hurts my eyes. Actually, I don't know. I do mess with it though. I just wish this was black. Maybe I just go to dark mode. Why does it change everything? Why does it change everything when I go to dark mode? Ugh. I do already feel like a better trader. I do already feel like a better trader. I do already. I can tell. I can sense it. Oh, but then I'm gonna have to change like everything on my chart. Brother, I think my number got leaked or something. But just from this to... I don't know. I don't know. I like this. I like this. Are you kidding? Why is it not save? It says it has auto save. Okay, I guess I gotta like actually save the layout. Here, maybe if I do like... We're gonna figure this out today. That's what we're doing on this NFP. Bro, I'll be right back. Bro just missed the perfect. Yeah, I just missed the 100-point move. Part of me likes this though. What is this guy's? What I'm gonna go back to this man. I don't know. It feels like very gray though. It's more teal candle and then like more gray background. I do like that blue though. I do like that color blue. I gotta go more. All right. We're gonna chill with this for a minute. Look at the Discord. Type one in the chat if you got wrecked on that short. Not me, because I don't gamble. You think draws equilibrium? Oh, that's British pound. I was about to say, brother's trying to catch too much. Just do this. Gradient. Oh. Gradient. Actually, I don't know. I don't even know if I mess with this. We'll put it on for a minute. We'll put it on for a minute. We're back in that breaker. It's the third one. I don't know if I do like the gradient though. I like this for the gradient. Cause the second one just feels like way too dark. Like order flow's bullish here. We have come back down. Probably respected something. I'm on Tesla. It always goes to Tesla. I want to see if this holds. We also have an order block here. Little scalp. Oh. Look at the executions. I'm him. Equal highs above us. We came back down. That's not really an imbalance. We came back. Oh. Yeah. I think black and white. I don't know. Part of me just likes the calm low color. Okay, we came back into this 15-minute fair value gap very nicely. Now generated buy side. Left equal highs. Draw. Where are we reaching for? Equilibrium. Also this breaker. Also this imbalance up here. So let's see. We're now in this order block. Let's see what NQ is doing. See if we can get anything. Want to see consequent encroachment hold. If we're bullish, we should bounce here if we are bullish. We shouldn't close below this if we are bullish, especially on the 5-minute. 5-minute still has 3 minutes left. But it would add a little bit more confidence if we close above this on the 1-minute. Okay, we close below. This was looking pretty bearish. We do have equal highs above us, but NQ already took the high, so we don't have to go. Where does standard deviation lie? I don't know. Oh, it lines up with this level. This could be something. Hey, what's good, John? How we doing? We're doing fantastic. This does kind of float my boat. If we run this, we're probably gonna go to new highs. Bro, what? Why is it Tesla? It's always Tesla. We have swept internal liquidity here. We have equal highs above us. This is an SMT at the lows. You trade DX well? No, I don't. I would like to see us run this, use this as inverse. If we want to head to new highs. What are your guys' thoughts? I do like this. I kinda like this peachy. It's not peachy, but it's like, I mean, I guess it's all about what makes me a better trader. Back within that 15-minute for value gap. If we're bullish, we should run this. I'm long on GPGU. Okay. Order block. I would have a bearish bias. I don't really like longs. I'm expecting the draw to still be this original consolidation. Look at order flow. We're bearish. We should respect this. This is a big fair value gap. We'll probably respect this. Okay, we're still respecting this fair value gap. Okay, we're now back within this breaker. If we run this, we're probably gonna run back to new highs. We do have this SMT here. Equal highs above us as well. Yeah, my TB's in the middle. If your TB's in the middle of the fair value gap, is it like consequent encroachment, equilibrium, consequent encroachment of the fair value gap? It's a GU. I don't mind a TP like at consequent encroachment. But I think it's looking like we'll probably reject this. But we could do whatever we want. We're just taking all these internal highs. This looks very bearish. I would expect us to reject here. So I wouldn't be looking to long this. Look what we just did. Just putting a limit order here. This isn't high quality. It's a small scalp. I would expect us to run to these highs before this would get filled. Just because of the SMT. I guess. Ooh. I don't like that. Oh yeah, I want to see us come back into this fair value gap. Should then just run to this high. Stop would be at this wick low. I do like this chart. Calm, cool, and collective. This is just chop though, but SMT is the lows. Don't change it. Don't change it. Yeah, I do like the black. Let's go back. You know what they say though, once you go black, you never go back. Yeah, this is definitely less intensive. I do the another reasoning behind is cuz I don't know, especially if I'm creating content, I think it's cool to be like unique. Have my own cuz those chart settings are Justin's. I'm canceling that order. We do the SMT at lows, displacement higher. This would have been the buy. This would have been the entry of this order block after the SMT. You don't need to see a market structure shift or anything after that. Equal high. Anything here is just lower probability. Yeah, I do like the black and white. But something about this just like I like it. Already banked some. Are you saying you took partials? 15-minute order block. This one I don't like. I don't like that. If you're talking about this one, I don't really like that personally. I'm trying to figure out what I like, but personally, I don't love like higher time frame order blocks. I like lower time frame, but I'm in discovering. I think we're gonna come back to these highs. I'm not taking anything, but notice how well we just came into this. I guess it's called like institutional order drill or something like that. Yeah, I put in my stop loss. And market's so close to my TP. Let's pull up this. Let's pull up this. Let's pull her up. Do you have it at equilibrium, consequent encroachment of the fair value gap? I just don't like that. We just had a huge candle along here. It's just like lower probability. If I'm looking at structure, let's look at it on the 5. If we're looking at it on the 5-minute, wait, do I have to make all these new if I were to change my chart? I think your TP has to be this high if you're long. After this fair value gap, we respect this fair value gap perfectly. After we respect that, is this OTE? Look at where we come back to, OTE, and then we run. Along here would probably be the best. Now we're building low resistance liquidity. I don't know. I would have to wait. Personally. Now we're running back to those highs. 4K on MDIA. Nice. There's an earthquake in New York? Bro, I don't think I've ever felt an earthquake. Oh, I lied. No, that's kind of messed up. I was going to say something outrageous. I was going to say something out of pocket. You live in Colorado, of course you ain't gonna feel an earthquake. I was gonna say like we'll just say I had a teacher that was huge. But I really liked her. She was very chill. I liked her. But we'll just say I had a teacher that would like walk around barefoot and she would shake the floor. So that's the only type of earthquake I've ever felt. It was 5.5. Yeah, I've never been to New York. Well, why do you think it was bad PA? Why would it possibly be bad PA? Actually, bro, this was fantastic PA earlier. Fantastic. Yeah, this chart's kind of growing on me. I wish I could get rid of the black background. I don't know if I need this. I wish I could change this to like... Oh, I probably could. Is there any way to change the border here? Them big teachers in the portable building? Bro, them... Expecting the order block. Come back down one more time to take all these stack highs. The only reason why I would ever take this is because of the SMT. SMT coming back down to the 15-minute fair value gap. Run this inverse. Never use this as somewhere to re-enter. I really like this chart. I'm not gonna lie. I might change it. What do y'all think? It's not bad PA, you just need to be patient. Facts. I'm up $8 grand and I'm just waiting for my PT to get hit. Nice. I honestly do not care. I could care less about how much money someone made or how much money someone's up. Because at the end of the day, bro, one, it doesn't change how I trade, and two, I'm just here to build good habits. I don't know, if you're always thinking about the money side of things, how much you're making or you're able to make, what happens when shit goes south? What happens when you have a bad day, a bad week, a bad month? I used to say I was up like $300, $400 on the day. Don't change it? Why? Bro, I called the whole move. How could I not be patient after 3 years of trading? When people say they're up thousands, they're probably up multiple NQ. That's what I'm saying. And like this ain't a diss on you at all. They say this on anyone, but like people say they're up. I honestly don't care. I don't care too much about it. But oh, there was this volume imbalance here. Look how well we respected that. Black one's much better. I do like how it's light. It is light on my eyes. I don't like this when I zoom out though. It's harder to see on the higher time frame. I think it would make my analysis better too. I think it would make the analysis better. Let's see what happens when we take these highs. How many people we got in the Discord? 51 plus. Dang, bro, this Discord's growing. This Discord will have like 10,000 people in it at some point. Alright, we just took the high. That was my draw. Now let's kind of step back. Possible draw, equilibrium. I'm looking at this breaker. I think it's on NQ. Yeah, we're within that breaker. So this could be somewhere to look for a possible short setup. We have generated lows here. Liquidity just taken. Within the higher time frame breaker, an area in which I would expect to reject if we're bearish. Look at this breaker. Actually, why do I have it so wide? It would more be this, right? It isn't the cleanest as well, so keep that in mind. I low-key need to get a haircut again. Should I go like clean bald? I don't know. I might let it grow out too. I know I said I was only gonna shave my head when I'm profitable. Okay, the draw does not need to be these highs. The draw does not need to be these highs. Why? Oh, whoa. I guess it's also cool here. It's appropriate here. The draw does not need to be these highs. We don't have to take these highs because ES did. Let's see what price ends up doing. Yeah, SMT. I still think that NQ is gonna take the highs, just because of how bullish this is. But if we come up, reject this wick. Notice how we're rejecting this wick. If we reject this, we can start to be bearish. SMT isn't as clean as well. I think we're still going to run here. It is NFP as well, so I'm like, anything here, take it with a grain of salt. Days like today are not when we're focusing on making money. And if you made money today, cool. Happy for you. Happy for you. There actually was a clean setup earlier. And one in Asia yesterday. But I care about what the market's doing currently, not what it did in the past. See if we're still respecting this wick. Look. Okay, now we've broken above. So I expect us to run to these highs. Aggressive, energetic push. Still continuing. Wow. Wait, I didn't even look. I didn't even check a lick of news. Do we have? I know we had NFP at 8:30, and I wasn't. FOMC member speaking at 12:30. Wait, did I just see? I saw like Fortnite. Y'all want to run some Fortnite right now? Can you imagine? That'd be funny. Can you imagine midstream I just load up Fortnite? That would be crazy. Alright, clearly bullish. No need to step in front of the train. Back in that breaker. See possible touch at equilibrium. Equilibrium can be the draw, but I don't expect to see it, but by the way we're looking here, it looks like we can push up into equilibrium of this range. 5-minute fair value gap probably gonna form here. Clearly bullish order flow, so I don't think there's a real reason to try to fight this. A professional trader focuses on the move. Yeah, I would agree with that, Stefan. I would say, I don't know. I'd say numbers don't mean anything. Numbers do not mean anything. Like with anything that you do, especially like say hypothetically I did have like 100K subscribers. That doesn't mean anything. That does not mean anything. Nothing is a clean setup. I agree. I would say I was looking for this to possibly be used as an inverse. We never pulled back to it clean. The only entry I really saw here to these equal highs would have been maybe this. Or if you're playing this off the 15-minute, just like an entry within here. I don't know, but hypothetically, if this was like traded on the live, this would have been enough. That move there would have been enough. Come back, take that high. Let me chill. So we're just waiting. Change it back. I don't know. Cowboy Preservation Friday. If you made money this week, yeah, it's also Friday. This is like I think pretty sure this is TGIF. TGIF is what we just had, which is pretty much. I'm pretty sure it's when we have. We're bearish all week, and then Friday we'll push that back up and we'll reverse that move. Well, not reverse it, but like we'll retrace 20 to 30%. I'm in with 100 micros. Of course, I'm up 100 micros. You stop watching? Now you're hating. Bro, I haven't played Fortnite. It's been a minute. It's been a minute since I've hopped on Xbox. I used to have a YouTube channel, and I used to play I used to stream 2K. I don't know if I could pull it up. I think I deleted all the videos. I think I deleted all the videos. Let me see. Dang, we're at 1.9K? That's crazy. 1.9K? Bro, what is my password for this? All right. I really want to pull this up, y'all. I really want to pull this up. I really want to pull this up. I think this is funny. Wait, does it not show my videos? Oh, this is... Oh, yeah. Dude, I have potential, bro. I have potential. Here, I'll turn on the... I have like 30 videos. I was up and coming. I was the next up in the game, you know?
I'm gonna be showing you how to make a quick 30k. A quick 30k. In my team, it might be 25, I don't know. But, as you guys might know, they added this thing called the exchange. What it does, you can get a player, it's Hall of Fame badges. You've probably seen these before.
Bro, I had potential.
All sorts of stuff. And what I'm focusing on is there should be a diamond contract here, but I've already redeemed mine. You can only get one. It's how I made my quick 30k essentially. So
bro, can you imagine like the bag of chips I probably had laying next to me?
Get contracts from these types of packs right here. Watch, I'm just gonna get a bronze contract.
Why am I out of breath? I'm out of breath, yo.
In this game, if you contracts, pretty easy. You just these on up. Want to take like 2.5.
Quick 30k. Quick 30k. Just give me your card information. I got you. I think they get better. I think that was like Loki, one of my mid videos I had. I think that was one of the mid.
What's going on, guys? We are back at it. It's been a while, but we're gonna be hopping on Fall Guys. This game is really fun. I enjoy it. So if you want more,
no, I'm gonna be straight up, bro.
We're just gonna be playing until we get a dub.
All right, well, I'll stop like that. I have potential though. That's all I'm gonna say. And that's what I fear in life, and that's what I think is the worst thing to do in life is just to not feel the potential that you have, or to not go all the way when you easily could have, or to not bring out of the side of you that you knew that was in you, or that you didn't know was in you, but that was in you. So I think that's just what I'm avoiding, and I'm gonna go the extra mile. I'm gonna go to where I know that I can take myself, 100%. And with that being said, it's going to be hard. It's going to be tough. There's going to be days when I don't want to get going, but I will show up to every single live stream. I will show up here. I will show up. You guys will not see me. There will not be a day where I just don't show up. And maybe it might be in a news event like NFP like today, when I guess I couldn't have showed up today, but I love doing this, and I surely do. And I appreciate you guys. Like the support and love is just has been insane recently. It has been insane. It's been crazy, and I appreciate it. Why did you change your chart colors? I'm just testing this out. What do y'all think? I do kind of like them. Like this. But I do like black and white. I think the black and white's cool. But this is honestly chill. This is honestly chill. So you should get a mid taper fade with the buzz. Honestly, I could see myself with like a fade. It's bro, Evan, you got beef with this. You got beef with this. Another 1K on MDIA. Cool. Nice, bro. I only trade SPY, but I'm still here. Hey, I trade SPY too. I trade SPY too. I used to trade SPY. Those days. I don't know. This doesn't hit the same though. This doesn't hit the same. This kind of hurts my eyes. This kind of hurts my eyes. Actually, I don't know. To say this is bad though is... Oh, GU? Let's look at GU. Was I wrong? Hahaha. Load up them shorts. Load up them shorts on GU. I don't expect us to go to equilibrium of that. After this, up, down. This now becomes the breaker. Wait, where is my hot bar? There's like a bar I have. Oh, why is it all the way down here? This now comes to breaker. Breaker fair value gap here. Can I like demo short this? I'll put this on and we'll come back to this. We'll put a stop at this high. I don't know, we'll take low hanging fruit. We'll take low hanging fruit. We'll take low hanging fruit here. Just a slow. Would be your first scale. Let's see if this gets filled. We'll come back to that. We hit equilibrium on NQ. Yeah. Rebalance the equilibrium into the breaker as well. Buy side wasn't taken, so normally I would like to see a high get taken. Or I would like to see a high get taken for this to be higher quality. I'm looking at this fair value gap. Are we going to respect this? I don't know, y'all. I do like this chart. I do like this chart. I do like this chart. That's why you're out of the trade. What comment did he delete? Check Discord. Okay. I still have 20. Bro, what the hell are you doing, dog? 20 runners? Why would you even have a runner here? What is your runner to? Where are you running this to? Bro, you're gonna run to this high? Hell no, you're not going to that high. Take your shit. Take your money and leave, or else the market will take it from you. That's my personal opinion. You don't use moving averages? Heck no. Heck no. I don't know. Bro is not letting any blue light get to him. I do kind of like the black and... I don't know if I like the gradient. Or the background. Yeah, 20 runners is insane. I don't mind that. The background, I would say like maybe a little bit lighter, like yes, less yellowish. Watch the Discord and you see how I made my money. Did you post anything? Did you put anything in here? Dog, let's be real here. Let's be real here. Let's be real here. You have 100 contracts. Why the hell do you have 100 contracts? You've been trading for 3 years, you have 100 contracts. Are these 100 micros? I don't know. I'm not here to hate because everyone trades differently, but I think if you have 100 contracts, I don't think there's, I don't know. Like, I'm not here to hate. Why wouldn't you just trade 10 minis or like 6 minis? I'm not here. Like, are you consistently doing this though? Like, is this consistent? Like, I'm not here to hate or like I'm just trying to I just want to help you. Cause why did you enter? Why do you enter? What was the model here? What was the model? Equilibrium. Us head back to equilibrium of this huge ass range. Of this huge range. I don't know. I don't love the trade. I don't love the trade. Okay, we're now breaking through this fair value gap. Let's see what happens. Equilibrium has been met. Equilibrium has been touched. I need to see structure to validate anything, so I think a short here is way too early. If anyone's just trying to short this, I think it's just a little bit too early. We have nothing here that signifies how we want to go lower, other than the fact that we've rebalanced to equilibrium. But we have rebalanced to equilibrium. Okay, look at order flow. Let's look at the 15-minute. We're probably gonna make a 15-minute for value gap here. I would like to see that get ran. But I think after this big move, the upside, I don't know. I'm not really looking for anything. How do you get your trend line? Oh, you go. So you hold shift. You hold shift. That was like the best. That's like the best tip. And then to delete stuff, you press your middle scroll wheel to delete stuff like with a click. Oh, we got Tesla. Damn. I think Tesla's reaching for this low in this fair value gap. I know this is my analysis, and I've been saying this. I made a video about it, but I'm expecting the draw to be here to then us have something like this. But my thoughts on this, that's crazy. Let's see. Can I use? I don't know if I would recommend using my concepts on stocks. Yeah, I would say it definitely applies. I don't know. I would we might run this back up to this high to then sell off, but I'm not anticipating a sell off. We do have these lows here, but this isn't generated sell side. This isn't generated sell side. This is not a sell side level. I'm not saying that this is a sell side level because we had manipulation here, because we had the SMT here. Because we have the SMT here, this is not generated sell side. So for me to be bearish, I need to see a push below this. Confirmation. Like, I wouldn't target the manipulation leg. You do Zims? Bro, does everyone do Sims? Your other accounts are in My Funded Futures? Bro, My Funded Futures... My Funded Futures reached out to me. They want me to be a... Or they... I don't know. Some dude on Discord. I don't know if I'll take it. Are we going to respect this? You have a bearish for value gap here. I'm not... I think I'm going to stick with this chart. I'm not going to lie. I like it's light. It's unique. It will make me unique as well. Like, I don't... Let's go back to black and white real quick. I definitely like it. But after seeing this... I don't know, yo. What do you think of the trade I put in Trading Floor? Oh. I don't know. I don't know. This year we're shooting out real traders that take trading seriously. Try the colors I sent. Where did you send them? Did you DM me? Or is it in Discord? Where is that? YouTube chat? Oh, did you type it? Oh, I see. I don't know. Send a picture in the Discord. I feel like that's easier for me to see if I like it, because I don't know. I do mess with these. I do mess with the colors we got. I will follow no one. Yeah, that's the thing. Traders, hey, bro, just do what works for you. If it works for you, it works for you, bro. Like, don't listen to other people. That's what I would say. Like, if this works for you consistently over time, you've been profitable by doing this, cool. But me personally, I just think like having 100 micros and just trying to catch this big of a move is kind of insane. Like that, well, that's just how I trade. Like, if I'm trying to catch this move, I'm gonna try to catch this move on a 1 minute time frame, which I kind of short here on MES. I'll pull up the executions, or no, I caught it long. Sorry. Wait, where guys the executions? Trading. Oh, there. Yeah, I caught this long. Like, I have confidence within this. I know that this will probably repeat. Like a big move like this to equilibrium, I'm not so much confident. Personally. It's all about whatever works for you, bro. If that works for you, good. Cool. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up. Me personally, I'll see a move like that and I'll be like, that's too much. Because yesterday, what did I do? I tried to catch a move like that. Oh, look at standard deviation. Look at -4, -2. Yeah. We have rebalanced equilibrium. This could look decent. This could look decent. I would need to see a little bit more. I think anything here is just a little bit too early. We've now respected that inverse and that fair value gap. Ooh, that's also a volume imbalance here that we're respecting too. I think we could sell off here, but I think it's just a little bit lower probability. We have this order block in here. I'm going to mark out. We also have this big range here. This big range, equilibrium. There's also that order block here. This would be like probably what I would target if I were to take a trade. Let's see what happens though. You said that yesterday to me when I called that big sell move. I mostly trade 30 to 50. Why did you risk more on NFP? Why did you risk more on NFP? I'm just curious. All I would tell you, bro, is just like people are gonna say things about you, especially on social media. But if it works for you, just keep doing it and keep improving on it. Like think about me, for example. If you guys look at my comment section, you guys like people have stuff to say about me, but I don't let it affect me because if it works for it, like it doesn't work for me right now, which is also like something that's like kind of bad about me. But I know if I put faith and if I put trust in it, it will work. It will pan out. Looking for longs on NQ? Why? Why are you looking for longs? We've already done what we needed to do. We have rebalanced equilibrium. We've rebalanced equilibrium. What is the whole point of this move? To rebalance price to equilibrium. Now the tide has shifted. We have rebalanced equilibrium. We're respecting bearish order flow. We could come back up, but the objective of this move was to rebalance the equilibrium, in my opinion. And now we have generated sell side at the lows. So, you mean ES? I mean, it'd still be the same thing. Within this 5-minute fair value gap. Oh yeah, let me check the Discord. Let me check the Discord. These chart colors are a little. I do. Actually, yeah, I don't love this. I don't like the gray. I do like this. I do mess with this, but I don't. For me personally, I don't know. I like. I might change it to this. I might change it to this. People. I mean, ES just need DXY to break, and then I think we'll dump. We have a rebalance on ES. I guess that's true, but since we've rebalanced on NQ, doesn't mean we have to. Wait, is this equilibrium? We're also within this breaker. We're also within this breaker. Look at higher time frame. Look at higher time frame. We're within the breaker. A short here honestly wouldn't be bad. I'm looking for a possible entry for shorts on the demo account. It is NFP. I'm not gonna risk. It's NFP. It's NFP. It's NFP, y'all. It's NFP. It's NFP. Keep that in mind. It does look nice though for shorts though, because we are within this higher time frame breaker, an area in which I would expect for us to reject if we are bearish. If we look at order flow here, what does this tell us? That we are clearly bearish because why? We just had a huge displacement through these lows. Come back into equilibrium in that breaker. This looks like a potential area, if I'm bearish, where I could see yes, possibly reject. We're within this 5-minute imbalance though. We have this order block paired with the fair value gap here. Standard deviation lines up nice with sell side. Wait, was that the one I had marked out earlier? Oh no. Wait. There was a different. It lined up better when I had it earlier. Was it on ES? It isn't clean. It isn't that clean of a move. You're in shorts. I'm waiting. I think it's a little bit early. I want to see a revisit of this order block for value gap. On the 1 minute, we do have this right here. We have this fair value gap as well. But I don't expect us to sell off right now, but just because of timing. Just because of timing. We'll see that. PA is bad? I don't know. I used to say PA is always bad. Oh, PA was so bad today, but in reality, that was just me being ignorant of what was actually happening. Like, PA is going to do what PA wants to do. I can anticipate for something to be less favorable today because it is NFP. I don't like a target here because we had an SMT here. This does look like a market maker sell model, but you have to be a little bit careful because if we look, this was an SMT that caused this rally. That's why I don't love it. Where are them? Bro, I think you need to chill. I think you need to chill. Like, we're not here to hate on other people, bro. We're here to grow, we're here to learn. No one's hating on you. People are just looking out for you. And no one's here to hate on you. No one's here to clown on you. Sometimes love can be tough. And bro, when I first came on Instagram, and I first started posting my videos, they were awful. They were bad. I had some people. There was trades I was taking that were absolutely awful. They're absolutely awful. People, I thought they were hating on me, but they really weren't. But I wouldn't dig too deep into it. Again, bro, just keep doing what you're doing. Just keep what you're doing and just keep doing it. People will hate on you, so what? It shouldn't affect you if they are hating. Especially in this order block. Still look decent. I don't care how people think of me. Okay, we're back within. We have created a 15-minute imbalance. I'm still kind of bearish because we're within that 1 hour breaker. Fair value gap here, order block here. We now put in a low. Respecting that 5 minute, I'm waiting. I don't think it's the right. I don't think it's time yet. I don't think it's time yet. I don't think it's time yet. Sit back, be patient. Sometimes what you gotta do. I definitely don't mind this. Let me. This is awful. I was trying to do something here. Canvas, solid. Wait, what was it? What was it? Let me look. Let me look. Let me look. I'll pull it up over here. D7, D6, C9. Ugh. Symbol. Body gray. I don't know. I can't dig. I can't get down with this. I can't. I can't. I still don't like anything right now. Come back up. Fair value gap. Respecting also that order block. We do have relative equal lows here, but the SMT on ES just doesn't look that appealing. I still don't think that we're ready yet. We could sell here. This could be a market maker sell model, but I honestly am not expecting us to sell here. I really am not. Oh! Ah! I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. We're waiting. We waiting. We waiting. I think we'll run back up. Maybe take internal high one more time. But for me to like have confidence within a short, I need to see more. This is just a rebalance. And like Evan said, we could be coming back up at the equilibrium of ES. We haven't come back into equilibrium of this leg. I think I'm gonna keep this chart. This chart's sexy. I don't like this though. This black. Like, is there a way to get this like the same color as this? Could be having an SMT here. Not gonna mark it until displacement lower. It's ugly, bro. You really like the black. Wait, what is this? Or I think it was no. Nah, this definitely looks different. Look at NQ's structure right now. This looks different. The color here looks different. We just came back in that 5-minute imbalance. We could see a run on this high. Everyone got a different view on the market. And just because you could be right at something does not mean that you should be bragging about it. This does look like an internal market maker buy model though. We came back down to the 5-minute. We still have a reason to go higher to that 5-minute imbalance. Respect this fair value gap. There's not really a clean breaker here. This would kind of be the breaker. Right here, breaker fair value gap, but you ever thought about making long form content on YouTube? I do post. I post videos. What do you mean, like YouTube, like trading related? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Like try to make educational content? Or what? Like I don't know what you're saying, like educational or like I'm not in a position to make educational content. I don't know. I don't really mess with that stuff either. Like I do chart reviews. Could be educational. Kinda. But I'm not in a position to make that stuff, so. I think some of that is corny too. Like a lot of people just try to get views with that stuff. Cause like that's what generates views. Like, oh, as a beginner, perfect strat. As a beginner. Like red and green. Red and green's just awful. We'll get. I think we can all agree that red and green's just not it. All right, let's not switch up on the black and white yet. Yo, first day here. Excited for the streams? Hey, welcome, bro. Welcome, Charles. We're here every day. I'm here every day, so I ain't going anywhere. Glad you made it. The streams, I will say, you're coming in at a better time because the people that have been here for a minute, the people that have seen me stream for a while, I'm definitely getting better with this. I'm definitely getting better at this this trading thing, and also better at streaming too. Like my first stream was awful. My first stream was so bad. This could be the last entry off of this breaker. Evan, do you have a Black Lives Matter in your bio or something? Evan's trying not to get canceled. Black charts matter? You run blue and red? I can't do red. Red? I can't. Honestly, you're gonna hop off? Have a nice weekend. See y'all next week? Yeah. Have a good weekend, bro. Have a good weekend, brother. Have a good weekend. This could have been an okay. I don't like it because it's in premium, though. Like, ideally, if I'm catching this move, I would like to be in here. We could have an SMT at these highs, but I'm not gonna add. I'm not gonna like say, "Oh, we have an SMT," just to say, "Oh, we have an SMT." SMT has to add to an already existing bias. Yeah, this is nice. Price action today actually has been pretty clean. I think NQ might run to this high, but I'm not counting on it. But it does look like we could run to this high. I don't know. I like looking at back at this now. I do like the other chart a little bit better. Remember, let runners run. I don't know. It depends. I'd rather take what I'm confident with than let my runners run, though. Like if I have confidence in something, I would much rather take what I'm confident in, and then pretty much. No. MDIA? What even is that? Wait, this thing's up 277%? Oh, you trading penny stocks? I don't know, you do you, bro, but personally, every trader is different. But personally, I would rather stick to like two indices that I know move. I don't like penny stocks. I hate how it deleted it because I switched. Nah, dog, this is definitely different. What's different? It's the background. SMC at the highs? I don't care. The reason I don't care, like, we're gonna run to this high confidently, because just look at the order flow. Like, yeah, we could have an SMT, but I was watching an Ice-T video and it's like there's something called sick. It's called sick sister. So basically, like, it's kind of like anticipating a run on NQ because ES has made this run. You should right click on Trading View. Right click on Trading View. Color theme. Oh, I see. I see. Alright. We're gonna stick to black and white for the rest of the day, and then over the weekend I'll make my decision on what we want to do. Bro's obsessed with the black. The black's nice because with the black background. I honestly, after this move, I don't know if we'll get anything else. Yeah, I think I like black. I still do like the black and white. Don't get me wrong. I don't know. I kind of want something that's like unique to me, you know, especially if I'm creating content. And I do like that teal or whatever I had on earlier. Yeah, today is TJIF. I didn't expect this big. Well, we are in equilibrium. Where's OTE? Jeez, we just keep on running. Could you imagine? Could you imagine, y'all, if we had this big move to the downside and then we just immediately reverse it? If we just immediately reverse it, your back just came out of school, dog. How long is your school? That's insane. I'm jealous, bro. Like I was talking to there was someone that was like, he got out of school. He didn't even really have school. It was like online. I'm like, I wish. My school got out at like 3 p.m. ICT's chart colors? I don't know. I don't know if I like ICT's chart colors. And I don't even know what I think about the market right now. We just had a big move to the downside, and then we're just going to immediately reverse it. Generate sell side here. That's nice. That's crazy. If you're doing online school, like you gotta realize that you're in high school and you're doing online school. You have so much time, bro. You got you're gonna be great. You're gonna be great. You're gonna be amazing at whatever you want. Oh, let's check that. Let's check that. Well, GP. Oh, what was it? It was this. It would have got stopped. Yeah, we don't have enough displacement. Yeah, a lot of convincing my parents let me once I got my. That's nice. I feel like if you come up to your parents and you show them results, I feel like they'll probably be much more giving to let you do something. If you show them like, oh, I made $5,000 this month or something like that. I have to make my first payout before next school year, so my parents will let me do online to finish high school at least. Ooh, I don't know. I feel like that can kind of hurt you. If you want to get your payout by then to do this, I got faith in you, but it might hurt you. Check trading floor. I got you. Yeah, that's decent. Wait, what was it? That was on NQ? Oh, S&P. It's I on ES we never took it. We take it on MES. I think it's I don't I'm not gonna take turtle soups, or I'm not gonna say anything about turtle soups until I've got conviction with it. Because I've been taking so many trades, or I've been trying to take potential turtle soup trades, and I need more time, and I need to actually learn what it is. And I'm just saying that in general, I'm not thinking to myself like rush because there's a deadline. Yeah. Price actually was decent today, but keep in mind it was an FP. Honestly, I might. Once lunch is in 10, I'm gonna head out at lunch. I'm not gonna stream for the whole session today. I'm not. It's NFP. We already had like the big expansion move. Anything after is just gonna be significantly lower probability, in my personal opinion. But I think that there could be something. But without us like taking a high, we are within a big imbalance on the higher time frame. It's like, sure, maybe if we were taking a high, but by the looks of this, I don't think there's any reason for me to stay on. But I appreciate the support recently, and we'll be back at it Monday. Monday. I'm hoping next week is cool. We'll do a chart review maybe Saturday. I'll let you guys know in the Discord, but I don't know exactly when we'll do it. But we'll definitely have a chart review this weekend. Maybe after market today. Probably not. I need to escape. What's the news looking like next week? What's the news looking like? Oh, next week's my birthday week. Monday we don't have any red folder news. And Tuesday we don't either. And then we have CPI and PPI. Okay. Could be okay, but even next week I'm not too thrilled about. This week should be a good week. This week I have high hopes for. Check trading floor again. Could happen, but in my personal opinion, we just had TGIF. We're reversing the move that we had. I don't expect to see another sell-off. Personally, I just don't see. Maybe in the future, but that's some time to come. But it looks decent in the future, but definitely not today. Maybe today, but I'm not expecting it, especially after this big move. But anyways, that's all I have for today. It was a good session. It was a good session. There was good action actually earlier. But I'm not gonna stay on here. I'm not gonna force anything just to try to trade. That's the beauty of trading, is to experience things outside of trading. But I would totally love to stay on here for like 6 hours a day. But I'm not gonna watch paint dry again. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna enjoy my day, become better. Probably go for a run. But I don't know. Anyways.